The Bridge tool bridges two selections with new geometry. You can then increase the amount of segments as needed, as well as adjust the shape of the bridge with the strength value. Bridge can also be used to create a hole in an object. You can also connect two parts of an object. The Loft tool is quite similar to the Bridge tool in that it creates new geometry between selected edge loops. Select a single vertex, right-click and choose Circle. This turns the surrounding vertices into a circular shape. By pressing Ctrl and plus on the numpad, you can increase the selection and extrude this to create a hole. Instead of a single vertex, you can also select a number of faces and make those circular.